So in this video we're going to take a look at the ideas functionality within Excel. So I have a table here. It's extracted out from a finance system. It's a list of invoices going across multiple years. Got our customer information, value of the invoice here, and we can come up to ideas and we will see the system will sort of analyze the data, kick the AI in and start to suggest a few things that we could insert in. And so we can either go with these, or we can use the ask a question about your data functionality up here. So we can type in things along the lines of who is the top customer? And the answer, a datum. So it's already analysed that out and will show me that. Or we can come in and say, okay, who's the top customer per year, and just return on that, and then we've got the top customer for each year, and maybe that's important information, so I can insert that in. It'll insert it in on a new tab, so 2020, 2019, 2018, so we very quickly get to what we want. Or maybe it's a bit deeper than that, and let's say, well, let's give me the top 3 customers per year, and just return on that, and again we get that in and we can quickly insert that. So they're the top 3, 2020, 2029, 2018, things along those lines. Just hopefully starting to get the idea here in terms of putting in the information. So we look for the biggest sale there, and we can see the information on what the biggest sale is. So that's the individual biggest sale. So again, we can insert that in. Or the biggest sale for each year, and we can insert that in, and we've got the biggest sale that's going on in terms of posted dates. So any of the information we're sort of looking at here, we can just quickly interrogate data, and there's some suggested ones here. Who's the most common customer as well? So 55 times sold out to a data. And again, common customer per year, and once again it's a data and the frequency of invoices going that way. So you get to see the idea of the powerful nature of this ideas function, where you can just quickly come in and start to interrogate your data with natural language and insert in whatever charts or pivot tables that it suggests. So that's the ideas function within Excel.